Okay guys, welcome back. Today is December 7th and I did not post any videos the last 2 days. So today I'm going to post the video from the 5th, 6th, and today the 7th. So we're at door number 7. Well, that's pretty cool looking. I've never seen a completely clear hot sauce before. This is number 7. It's a North Pole Original Crumpus Blend Hot Sauce. On the side it says, a secret sauce obtained from Crumpus in the mountains of Central Europe. This sauce packs a punch and adds an aromatic flavor to many different dishes. All right, I'm excited to try this, so let's go ahead and open it up. It's definitely very liquidy. Smells a lot like white vinegar. I'm really just picking up a white vinegar smell. Tasting it, it does taste a lot like white vinegar, and it does have some heat to it. All right, let's check out the ingredients. All right, here is number 7, the nutrition facts. The ingredients say distilled vinegar, peppers, onion juice, garlic, salt, and natural flavorings. So that is a very different and unique hot sauce. I would not say it's my favorite. Okay, thanks for watching, and join me tomorrow for door number 8.